Okay, here we're going to remove the plunger motor. That's the large motor that drives the plunger up and down. First things first, we're going to assume that you already have the covers off and you already know how to do that. If you've gotten to this video, you've already done that. What we're going to do, we're going to move the belt off the large gear here, slip it off and just slide it back so it's out of the way. Then remove these two connectors here. And then just loosen these 4 Allens. Remove these 4 Allens. Get that later and slides right out. Then putting the new motor back in. Then once we have that, slip the belt back over the plunger motor first, then wrap the belt back onto the main gear, and there you go. Attach your connectors back up. And you're done.